Hi, I'm Nathan with Residential Warranty Services, and I want to tell you about my friend Harvey Meadows at Be Sure Inspections in the Detroit area. Works almost all the way to Grand Rapids from Detroit. I mean, huge coverage area. BeSureInspections.com is their web address, and he offers a lot of coverages with this home inspection: 90-day warranty, sewer guard, mold safe, even a 5-year roof leak protection plan. Now, some of these things happen, occasionally. About 1 in every 700 homes, we get a sewer guard claim. That means the underground water line backed up. It was something that was not preventable, not detectable, and it just happens. So, these are big claims. They cost a couple $1,000s when they happen. About 1 in every 10 homes, we find a recalled item. We get a free repair under recall check. We've done about 4 million of these reports throughout the U.S. and Canada. Works incredibly well. Free repairs. Agents love it. Buyers love it, of course. But the most common thing that we get are claims under our 90-day warranty, which Harvey's been using for years at Be Sure Inspections. And one of the best features about this is that if you get a 1-year warranty at closing, which a lot of people do, more and more people these days are getting the Residential Warranty Services Simple Policy. You can ask your inspector about this or go to residentialwarrantyservices.com. But regardless of which warranty you got, whether it be Residential Warranty Services or somebody else, the 90-day warranty covers on about 90% of the occasions the deductible on a covered claim for that policy. So nearly everything that happens in the first 90 days, you end up with a $0 deductible because you chose the right home inspector. So you always want to ask if they have a 90-day warranty. And let me put this in real terms for you. We had a Michael in Ypsilanti, Michigan. He moved in, and shortly thereafter, this was, in September of 2017. So this is just going into the winter. He had a plumbing claim. That is our most common claim. Plumbing leaks. Everything eventually breaks. Plumbing leaks happen. And it's pretty obvious this wasn't happening at time of inspection. There was no water damage. There was no noticeable leaks. People don't generally live in homes with leaking pipes, So this was not something the seller was aware of, if it was in fact happening. And I just doubt that it was. Harvey does a great home inspection. But this client moved in and had a warranty, and it looks like they had a home warranty with us. So they had the simple policy from Residential Warranty Services, and they had a deductible. Deductibles on this range from $75 to $150, and the 90-day warranty from Harvey covered the deductible. So this client is out $0 because their real estate agent referred them to Be Sure Home Inspections. That's BeSureInspections.com, BeSure Inspections.com. Anywhere in the greater Detroit area, almost all the way to Grand Rapids, Harvey Meadows has you covered. If you're looking for a great home inspection anywhere else in the U.S. or Canada, send me an email personally, nathan@nathan.tv, and I will refer you to one that offers not just a great home inspection, but real coverage as well to make everyone in the transaction look good and reduce or eliminate the risk associated with purchasing a home.